Footprints appeared in the snow. With no start and no end, investigators followed them. They stretched for miles, over rooftops, across walls, even over obstacles no one could easily cross. No entry point, no exit, just a continuous trail. No confirmed explanation. So who or what made those tracks? The mystery deepens as they search. But there's no sign of a source. Each step raises more questions. What could have caused this? The investigators are left with a chilling thought. Is it a hoax or something more? And what if they are not alone? The unanswered questions linger.